What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the shop. So today I'm starting a new project, but actually before I get there I need to clean the shop. It's been a few months. I've been working hard on different projects plus my day job, and so I'm ready. I'm trying a different kind of video too. I'm gonna try the more vloggy kind of style. Like, I really like Alex Steele, and although I don't have someone that can follow me around with a camera, I'm gonna do my best to do like a vloggy, like this is what I'm building kind of style, and then at the end maybe do a project video or something. So yeah, follow me along as I clean the shop. Let's do this. So I want to show you guys these legs. I just got them from Amazon. I think it was like 140 bucks for all four. And my next project is a farmhouse style dinner table. So I don't have a lathe, nor I know I would be able to turn something this beautiful. And I just want to give you guys a look. I'm sure you've probably seen them. Like if you Google or Amazon, farmhouse style legs is one of the first ones that comes up. I'm excited. Quality looks great. I'm gonna leave a link down below in the comments for an Amazon affiliate if you want to help me support this channel and what I do. So yeah, look at these beautiful legs. Yeah, so next order of business, I kind of cleaned the shop a little bit. Now, I know some of you may be thinking like, oh, those scraps. Yeah, I hate having a ton of wood left over. Like, that is actually stressing me out right now because I have so much wood that I cannot fully use for a project, but I will at some point. Anyway, not the point. So next order of business is I got this Grizzly drum sander a couple of months ago. I love it so far. Kind of getting used to the whole like how fast you run your pieces through, but it is, I believe it's 18 times 2, 30 something, 36, 18, right? Hold on. $36, yeah. So I can run up to a 36 wide piece of whatever, and so yeah, I love it. I just ran some pieces from my a desk that I was building. If you want to see it, follow me on Araya Woodworks at Araya Woodworks on Instagram or Facebook. And also, I got this Pura Universal mobile kit because I didn't actually bought the base for it. So I'm gonna make one, see how this goes. I'll let you guys know. Do not do it at home. Not the smartest way to do it. But I got it. Thoughts on this thing? Works great. I mean, it comes with two, hold on. It comes with two length of screws. So I use 3/4 inch plywood and I use the shorter screws, which means you can probably use like, nope. Anyway, you can probably use like thicker material. Like I'm sure 1 inch, 1.5 inch, and it will work. So yeah, I like it. I was moving that thing without a stand before, and I mean, I don't have a lot of shop space. It's only a 2-car garage. And so, I was saying I was moving that thing, just dragging it, and it wasn't doing good. Super heavy, number one. Number two, like I don't have a lot of garage space, and so I just only have 2-car garage. And actually, that bench is a Harbor Freight. I have it attached to the floor, so I cannot move it. It works great because it doesn't move, but it doesn't move. Now having that thing, I'll be able to bring it here, because you need to use a dust collector when you use a drum sander, apparently, because it's awful. So my dust collector is here in this corner, and I'm gonna store it here, drag it, use it, put it back when I need it. I might just stick it outside too and use it, I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, loving that thing once again. I'll leave a link down below if you wanna check it out. Affiliate link. I'm trying to get into this affiliate marketing thing, because you know, trying to pay the bills and stuff. But now, next order of business, I only have about, math is hard. It's 8:36, my wife gets home around 9 o'clock-ish, 9:10. So I only have about 25 minutes, maybe 30 minutes of work time. So I think I'm gonna start rough cutting the pieces for the farmhouse table. It'll be a cool 5x5, really big table, 2-tone, painted white legs, those legs that I show you, and a really cool breadboard and top. So let's do that right now. This is gonna do for this video. As you see, I got all the pieces very rough cut to dimension, to length. Got the aprons, legs, breadboard ends, and the table itself. I'm still waiting on some hardware to attach the leg. This table hopefully is gonna be able to disassemble and get back together, so it can be easily movable. With that said, thank you very much for watching this video. You know what to do. Like, subscribe if you want to see more of what I'm doing. Follow along, and thank you very much for watching these videos. With that said, I'll see you guys on the next video. Pura Vida.